analyze the most important diagrams for your board exam. This is the natural selection and human reproduction part, menstrual cycle, question from the menstrual cycle. Then this is from evolution. Students, let's analyze the most important diagrams for your board exam. From 2020, they have asked this gel electrophoresis, this section of ovary. Then they have asked this question in 2021 from sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Again, this is from the same chapter. From human reproduction, they have given this diagram from pollination part, pedigree analysis, then this karyotype from your genetics part, DNA histone. Next is this polynucleotide of DNA. Then they are asking you question from the lac-operon. This is from the ecology portion. This is the DNA fingerprinting. This is the natural selection and human reproduction part, plasmid bacteriophage application in biotech. Then they have given this pedigree analysis, primary secondary response in human disease chapter. Then this is the pollination part, menstrual cycle, question from the menstrual cycle. Then this is from evolution. This is from ecology unit graphs. So these diagram graphs you cannot skip at any cost. All the best, kids.